welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to my channel and also enable the bell button to get the notifications. Today I'm going to show you the recipe of Vancho cake. Vancho cake is nothing but the combination of vanilla and chocolate cake. I had prepared this cake for my son's birthday. So as you can see, it is a very tasty and moist cake. So without further delay, let's get into the video. First, let's prepare sugar syrup for the cake. For this, take a pan and into it add 1 cup of water and 3/4 cup of sugar and boil it until the sugar melts completely. Once the sugar is completely dissolved, switch off the flame and then allow it to cool. Once it is cool, you can store it in the refrigerator. Now let's start preparing the vanilla sponge cake. For this, into a filter add 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. From this, remove 1 tablespoon of flour and instead add 1 tablespoon of milk powder. Then add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. Now sieve the mixture 1 or 2 times. Again, mix this well and keep it aside. Next, let's prepare the wet ingredients. For this, into a clean bowl, add 3 large eggs at room temperature and beat them for a minute. Then add 1 cup of sugar gradually into it and beat until it is creamy. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and again beat well. Next add half cup of refined oil into it and beat well until it is combined. Now add the dry ingredients mixture gradually into it and mix with the spatula until it is well combined. Do not overmix at this point. Pour this mixture into the already greased 10-inch cake tin and tap to release the air bubbles. Since I require a flat cake, I have used a 10-inch cake tin. For this amount, you might require just an 8-inch cake tin. Then place the cake tin into the already preheated oven and bake at 180 degrees centigrade for 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, our vanilla cake is ready. Remove it from the cake tin after some time and allow it to cool. Next, let's prepare the chocolate sponge cake. For this, into a filter add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Into it add 1 tablespoon of milk powder and 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Then add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. Sieve this mixture 1 or 2 times. and mix everything well and keep aside. Now let's prepare the wet ingredients mixture like we have done before. Now add the dry ingredients mixture into it and mix with the spatula until combined. Now pour this batter into the already greased 10-inch cake tin and bake it in the preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade for 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, our chocolate sponge cake is ready. Allow the cake to cool completely. Now let's prepare the dark chocolate ganache for filling and frosting the cake. Here I have taken about 107 grams of dark chocolate and into it I have added about half cup of whipping cream. Then I have melted the chocolate using the microwave oven. This may take about 30 seconds. Now let's prepare the whipped cream needed for the cake. Here I have taken about 3 cups of whipping cream. I have taken 3 cups of whipping cream because I require the cream for cupcakes also. For this amount of Vancho cake, you may require just 2 cups. First beat the cream at low speed for about a minute. Then add 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence and 1 cup of icing sugar into it gradually and then beat the cream. Now you can slowly increase the speed up to high speed until stiff peaks are formed. Once the whipped cream is ready, separate some whipped cream into another bowl and add 6 teaspoons of dark chocolate ganache that we have already prepared into it and beat the cream once again until it is stiff. So this is our chocolate frosting. Now let's begin to ice the cake. For this, first apply some cream onto the cake board so that the cake stays firm. Before beginning this process, I have cut the vanilla and chocolate cakes into 2 equal layers. Then place the first layer of vanilla cake on the board, add some sugar syrup over it and soak the cake. Next, apply some condensed milk or white chocolate ganache onto it and spread it with an icing knife. Now add some vanilla whipped cream over it and ice the cake as shown in the video. Now place the first layer of chocolate cake over it, apply some sugar syrup, dark chocolate ganache and chocolate cream and ice the cake as shown in the video. Then repeat the process for the next 2 layers as shown in the video. Since this is the final layer, I have covered the entire cake with vanilla whipped cream. Once you have covered the cake completely with cream, refrigerate for at least 30 minutes before applying the white chocolate ganache. To prepare the white chocolate ganache, I have taken about 200 grams of white chocolate, and into it I have added about 2 tablespoons of butter and 3/4 cup of whipping cream and then melted it. Before pouring the white chocolate onto the cake, I have just filtered the white chocolate once in order to avoid any lumps. Then pour the warm white chocolate onto the cake until it is completely covered. Then, using some dark chocolate ganache, I have done some decorations over the cake. Again, refrigerate the cake for 30 minutes until the ganache is set. After 30 minutes, I have taken the cake out and then I am writing name on the cake using some melted dark chocolate. Now I am giving border decorations to the cake using the chocolate frosting that we have already prepared. Again, store the cake in fridge for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I have taken out the cake and then decorated it with some melted dark chocolate decorations and cherries. So this is the final look of the cake. So I hope you all would have liked this recipe. Please do try this recipe for your birthdays and make it special. Also, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you all for watching. See you all in another video.